Hi, good morning everyone. Today we discuss about liver. Liver is endodermal origin. Liver is endodermal origin. It is the largest organ of the body. It is the largest organ of the body. Parotid gland is largest gland of the salivary gland. Parotid gland is largest gland of the salivary glands. Liver is the largest gland of the body. Liver has two lobes. Liver has two lobes. Right lobe and left lobe. Right lobe and left lobe. Right lobe is larger than the left lobe. Right lobe is larger than the left lobe. It is present right abdominal cavity. It is present the right abdominal cavity and just below the diaphragm and below the diaphragm. The weight of the liver is 1.2 to 1.5 kg in adults. In adults, the weight of liver is 1.2 to 1.5 kg. Each lobe of liver contains lobules. Each lobe of liver contains lobules, hepatic lobules. Each lobe of liver contains lobules called hepatic lobules. Each hepatic lobule Hepatic lobules are structural and functional units of the liver. Hepatic lobules are structural and functional units of the liver. Hepatic lobules are hexagonal in shape. Hepatic lobules are hexagonal in shape. Each hepatic lobule covers by thin fibrous connective tissue called Gleason's capsule. Gleason's capsule. Thin connective tissue called Gleason's capsule. Each hepatic lobule contains hepatic cells. Hepatic cells. These are called hepatocytes. Hepatocytes. These hepatic cells arranged into rows. These rows of hepatic cells is called hepatic cord. Hepatic cords. Hepatic cords are present around a hepatic central vein. Hepatic cords are present around a central vein. The space present between the hepatic cords is called sinuses. Sinuses are sinusoids, liver sinusoids. Liver sinusoids. These liver sinusoids covered by endothelial cells. Endothelial cells. Covered by endothelial cells. Some of the tissue fixed cells present in the sinusoids. Some of the tissue fixed macrophages are present in the sinusoids. These are called Kupper cells. These are macrophages. These engulf microbes. The The tissue fixed macrophages present in the liver is called Kupffer cells. Kupffer cells. These are hepatic cards. Hepatic cards. Hepatocyte secretes bile. Hepatocyte secretes bile. Two rows of hepatic cards present. In between the two rows of hepatic cards present bile canaliculae. Bile canaliculae. These bile canaliculae collects bile. All bile canaliculae opens in the bile duct. Opens into the bile duct. Hepatic artery and hepatic portal vein enters into the liver. Hepatic artery and hepatic portal vein enters into the liver. These hepatic portal vein and hepatic artery divides into branches. The hepatic branch of hepatic portal vein and branch of hepatic artery and bile duct and branch of bile duct forms portal triad. Portal triad means branch of hepatic portal artery, branch of hepatic artery, branch of bile duct, branch of hepatic portal vein, branch of hepatic artery, branch of hepatic duct. These three are called portal triad. Next, sac-like muscular structure present below the right lobe of the liver called gallbladder. This gallbladder stores and concentrate of bile. The bile has duct. This bile duct is called cystic duct. Each lobe of the liver contains right hepatic duct. Left hepatic duct of each lobe combines to form common hepatic duct. Right hepatic duct, left hepatic duct combine to form common hepatic duct. Right hepatic duct, left hepatic duct combine to form common hepatic duct. The gallbladder duct, cystic duct combines to common hepatic duct to form common bile duct. Cystic duct plus common hepatic duct combines to form common bile duct. Cystic duct plus common hepatic duct combined to forms common bile duct. Common bile duct. The central veins of each lobule combine to form hepatic vein. Central veins of all hepatic lobules combine to form hepatic vein. These hepatic vein comes out from the liver and it opens into the inferior vena cava. Functions of liver. Liver also called biological and chemical factory because it performs various functions that are storage, secretion and synthesis of various substances. So, liver is also called biological and chemical factory. It secretes, liver secretes bile juice. Bile juice is light yellow green colored fluid. Green colored fluid. The pH of bile is 7.4 to 7.6. pH of bile is 7.4 to 7.6. Bile juice has no enzymes. Bile juice has no enzymes. Bile juice has no enzymes, but it has bile salts, bile pigments. Bile pigments are the excretory products of liver is bile pigments. Excretory products of liver is bile pigments. Bile pigments are bilirubin, biliverdin. These bile pigments derived by the destructions of hemoglobin of the old RBC. Bile salts. Bile salts are tarocholates and glycocholates of sodium and potassium. These bile salts essential for the neutralize of HCl. Neutralize the HCl or neutralize the acidic food in the duodenum. Bile salts prevents the decomposition of food. Bile salts prevents the decomposition of food because bile salts kills the harmful bacteria present in the food. Bile salts emulsification. Bile salts help for the emulsification. Emulsification of fats. Emulsification means large molecules are converted into small molecules. These are called emulsification. Emulsification of fat because pancreatic lipase acts only on emulsification fat. Pancreatic lipase acts on fats only emulsification fats. Bile salts also help for the activation of lipase. Lipase acts on only emulsified fats. Only emulsified fats. Bile salts helps for the absorption of fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins. Liver also involves in the carbohydrate metabolism. Liver also involves in the carbohydrate metabolism. Glycogenesis, glycogenolysis, lipogenesis, gluconeogenesis. Important. Glycogenesis. Glycogen genesis means formation. Conversion of excess glucose into glycogen. Conversion of excess glucose into glycogen is called glycogenesis. Conversions of excess glucose into glycogen is called glycogenesis. Glycogenolysis. Lysis means destructions. Glycogen. Conversions of glycogen into glucose. Conversions of glycogen into glucose. When glucose level falls in the blood, glycogenolysis occurs. Conversions of glycogen into glucose is called glycogenolysis. Lipogenesis, lipid formation. Excess of carbohydrates and proteins. Conversions of excess of carbohydrates and proteins into lipids. Lipids is called lipogenesis. Conversions of excess carbohydrates and proteins into lipids is called lipogenesis. Gluconeogenesis. Gluconeogenesis. Formation of glucose from non-carbohydrate materials. Non-carbohydrate substance. Formation of glucose from non-carbohydrates. Formation of glucose from non-carbohydrates is called gluconeogenesis. Glyconeogenesis. Formation of glycogen from lactic acid. Formation of glycogen from lactic acid. Formation of glycogen from lactic acid is called glyconeogenesis. Deamination. Liver removes the amine group from amino acids. Liver removes the amine group from amino acids and it converts ammonia into urea. Ammonia is more toxic substance. Urea is less toxic substance. If liver is damaged, the ammonia concentration is increases in the blood. It is more toxic substance. Detoxification. Liver converts the toxic substance into non-toxic substance. Liver converts the toxic substance into non-toxic substance. In alcoholic person, liver is the first affect organ. Liver is the first effect organ in alcoholic persons, because liver converts the alcohol into acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde converts into acetate. Acetate converts into acetyl coenzyme. This is used by the body. In alcoholic person, more alcoholic persons, this acetaldehyde is not converted into acetate. It is accumulated in the liver. Acetaldehyde is accumulated in the liver. So it causes liver cirrhosis. Liver cancer. Liver cancer is caused by aflatoxic substance. These are secreted by, aflatoxins are released by Aspergillus flavius. Aspergillus flavius fungus releases aflatoxins. These aflatoxins are toxic substance. These are reduced by liver. Some persons aflatoxic. If liver is damaged, aflatoxins causes liver cancers. Liver also acts as thermoregulator and thermogenetic organs. Thermoregulators. Temperature is regulated by liver and temperature is formed by the liver. Hemopoietic organ and erythroclastic organ. Liver acts as hemopoietic organ and erythroclastic organ. In fetus stage, RBC and WBC are formed by the liver. Erythroclastic organ. Destructions of old RBC. Is called erythroclast. Erythroclastic organ. Destructions of old RBC. It synthesis plasma proteins. Plasma proteins mean albumin, globulin, except gamma globulin. Liver synthesis plasma proteins, albumin and globulins, except gamma globulins. Gamma globulins are derived by B cells. Gamma globulins are formed by B cells, B lymphocyte cells. It produces clotting factors. 1, 2, 7, 9, 10 clotting factors are produced by liver. Liver produces anticoagulant heparin. Heparin is natural anticoagulant. It prevents the blood clotting in the blood vessels. Heparin is also produced by mast cells, basophils. Liver acts as blood purifier. Kupffer cells are phagocytic cells. These Kupffer cells filter the blood. Kupffer cells engulf the microbes. Synthesis of vitamin A. Liver senses the vitamin A and it stores A, D, E, K vitamins and B12 vitamin. B12 vitamin. Liver stores A, D, E, K vitamins and B12 vitamins. Liver is good source of iron. Liver is good source of iron. It stores small amount of fat. Sometimes gallbladder accumulation of fat causes gallstones. Gallstones are formed by the accumulation of fat in the gallbladder. These are the functions of the liver.